Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we look at company reports and tell you what's really going on under the hood. Today we've got Bausch Lomb Corporation filing, and let me tell you, they're giving us a peek at their future plans and financial nudges that are definitely worth decoding. So you might know Bausch Lomb as that company making eye care products, from contact lenses to eye drops. They've been around for a while and are a big name in the vision health space. Today we are diving into their latest report, which is really about giving us an update on upcoming events and some forward-looking information. It's not a deep financial dive like a quarterly earnings report, but it does give us clues about where they are headed. What we have here is essentially a heads-up release. Bausch Lomb put out a press release and a slide presentation on the 13th of November 2025. This is to get investors ready for their upcoming Investor Day. Think of this as a preview event where the company shares its vision for the next few years. This filing includes that press release and the slide deck. They are sharing some key things they will talk about at their Investor Day. This includes their 3-year financial targets. That means they are giving us a glimpse into their goals and expectations for the next 3 years. This is crucial because it shows us their strategy and how aggressive they plan to be in the market. They are also talking about specific products in their pipeline. This tells us about their innovation and what new things we can expect from them. And importantly, they are reaffirming their financial guidance for the entire year of 2025. This means they are reiterating their earlier predictions for how well they expect to perform financially by the end of this year. Now, let's talk about what these financial target announcements could mean. When a company sets 3-year financial goals, it is usually a sign that they feel confident about their future growth. They are essentially telling investors to expect a certain level of performance. This could involve increasing revenue, improving profit margins, or expanding into new markets. For Bausch Lomb, with their focus on eye care, these targets might relate to launching new contact lens technologies, expanding their surgical product lines, or increasing their presence in emerging markets. The reaffirmation of their 2025 guidance is also important. It suggests that their business is currently performing as expected and they are on track to meet their annual goals. This provides a sense of stability and predictability for investors. The slide presentation is where they will likely elaborate on these points with more detail and visual aids. We can expect them to go deeper into their product development pipeline. This means talking about the research and development efforts that could lead to breakthrough products. For instance, they might be working on advanced multifocal contact lenses that offer even better vision for people with presbyopia, or new surgical instruments that make eye surgery safer and more precise. These kinds of innovations are what drive growth and market leadership in the pharmaceutical and medical device industries. Looking at Bausch Lomb stock, it trades on major exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange and the Toronto Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BALCIO. This tells us they are significant players in the public market and subject to the scrutiny of investors and regulators. Reports like this one are therefore very important for maintaining transparency and investor confidence. Scroll title of each Class I title, while this particular filing is more of an announcement of information to be discussed. It does point to the company's proactive approach to communicating its strategy. In a competitive market like eye health, clarity on future plans and financial direction is key. Investors and analysts will be poring over the details that emerge from their Investor Day to assess the company's long-term prospects. Now, let's zoom out and think about what this all means for Bausch Lomb. This filing shows a company that is outwardly focused on growth and innovation. By outlining 3-year targets and discussing pipeline products, they are painting a picture of a company that is not content to rest on its laurels. They are signaling to the market that they have a clear vision for the future and are actively working to achieve it. The reaffirmation of their current year guidance suggests a solid operational performance. However, we must also consider the inherent risks. The 3-year targets are just that, targets. Achieving them will depend on many factors, including market conditions, competitive pressures, regulatory approvals for new products, and the company's ability to execute its strategy effectively. The eye health market is dynamic, with constant technological advancements and evolving consumer needs. Bausch Lomb will need to stay agile and continue to invest in research and development to maintain its edge. In conclusion, this report is less about past performance and more about a future outlook. Bausch Lomb is setting expectations and preparing to share a detailed roadmap at its Investor Day. The success of their future plans will hinge on their ability to innovate, adapt, and execute. What is your take on Bausch Lomb's forward-looking statements? Do you think their ambitions are realistic? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more corporate deep dives. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description to continue the conversation. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. See you next time.